guys, this is Team Miyagi. We are heading to the Beverly Sand Dunes Off-Road Vehicle Park. This park is located in Grant County, Washington State, and we are going to be meeting up with some gamblers later in the day. Our mission for this weekend is to do a trash cleanup in the park and also along the frontage road, which is called Crab Creek Road. The Beverly Sand Dune Park does not have camping fees, but a discovery pass is required. They have several porta potties, lots of sandy trails, and small sand dunes, which is good for beginners that are learning to operate vehicles in the sand. Hello. Come join us and the coyotes.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they're out there hollering.
Oh wow, sweet. Yeah, I've been wanting to camp here forever.
So there we have in the wild a gambler sitting around a campfire, putting on his shoes and socks. Morning, John.
Good morning.
And then we have the ever ubiquitous Mr. Miyagi.
Hey gang.
So we woke up this morning after a night of not heavy rain, but persistent rain, to a really muddy, gooey mess around the truck. It's kind of like a cross between peanut butter and lard. It just makes a horrible mess on the shoes. So we're going to use what we can find, leafy stuff. By little, the moat is growing. We've got a moat that goes all the way around the truck. It's probably overkill, but all the way up to the driver's side. Cole, you need some red
Cole,
heels?
Cole, is this your size?
My feet are much bigger than that.
6-inch stilettos, man. That's crazy.
Hey, that girl had a really weird night.
Yeah. Man.
We found a whole pile of shoes and some clothes behind a bush out there.
I got chisels. I didn't bring the cutting part.
Got a rounded off head. I can't get it quite off with the sawzall, so I got the chisel and
Hit it with a hammer.
single jack here. That skid plate, I guess, has earned its keep. 23,000 miles.
Oh, it was the person that fell off on the mini bike and it got ran.
Oh yeah, up the ass and
Yeah.
now. Were you the one that posted the new decal?
There it is.
Jeez. No wonder you stopped.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that thing down in SoCal a month ago, going up the Movavi Trail.
Oh man, that mud is heavy.
Look at that tranny pan. You can see the bolts and everything.
Oh jeez.
There's a hard pack right there.
Australian engineering at its finest. Or Austria.
Yeah, no.
It's Austria.
Good Lord. Put it back.
Santa Claus.
Is here.
This year Santa showed up early in Gambler Town for all the good gamblers.
That might have been the one he pulled out.
And they travel in outlandish vehicles.
Stacy didn't know what we were doing, so she's photobombing. When she saw the picture, she's like, "Oh my God!"
With totems attached to their vehicles.
Well, Razor Rick got
And colorful decals and stickers. And this is the flag of the country they all love.
Don't burn that. Yeah, so if you stand up behind it,